Hi guys, it's Stock Curry, and this is everything you need to know for Thursday in 2 minutes or less. Plus, I'm going to explain why the market went down on Wednesday despite the fact that it historically rises after a midterm election, and we'll talk about the CPI prediction as well. So let's get into it! Here's why the market went down on Wednesday despite the fact that it normally goes up after midterm elections. Whenever Republicans win a midterm election, the stock market will usually rise the day after elections. Now, while Republicans, also known as the GOP, were expected to have a sweeping victory, it ended up being a lot more undecided than we expected, and as of Wednesday, we still don't know the outcome for the US Senate. In our Congress, it's the exact same thing. Again, that uncertainty helped push the stock market down on Wednesday. All of the major indices were down 2% or more on Wednesday. And it wasn't just the indecisiveness of the midterm elections that caused this sell-off. It was also due to cryptocurrencies and what's going on there. And it was also due to an anticipation of the CPI report coming out on Thursday. Binance has backed out of the deal to rescue FTX, and this has sent shockwaves in the cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrencies across the board were down between 12 to 15% on Wednesday, and this caused the stock market to fall as well. Bitcoin dropped below 16,000. The stock market also fell on Wednesday in anticipation of the inflation numbers that are coming out on Thursday. Those inflation numbers will be released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, or about 1 hour before the market opens. CPI is forecast to come in at 7.9%, and core CPI is forecast to come in at 6.5%. However, the Federal Reserve Bank of Cleveland has an inflation nowcasting that is showing a slightly different picture. They are predicting CPI to come in at nearly 8% instead of 7.9%, and they are expecting core CPI to come in at 6.58%, which is slightly higher than the 6.5% that economists are expecting. And not only are both of those numbers higher than the official estimates, in addition, the inflation nowcast often comes up short of the actual inflation numbers. So there are a lot of indicators that the CPI print on Thursday will actually be higher than expected. And if that does in fact happen, we can expect the stock market to sell off. In addition to the CPI report that's coming out on Thursday, we also have 6 Fed presidents speaking, 1 in another time zone early in the morning, and 4 while the market is opened, and then 1 after the market closes. If these Fed presidents reiterate Jerome Powell's hawkish message, that could send the stock market falling further. In anticipation of tomorrow's CPI release, I bought put options on the market. I bought extremely high-risk put options expiring on Friday. I bought a Russell 2000 put option at $175 and a NASDAQ QQQ put option at $260. If you want to learn how to trade options and how to trade options profitably, I invite you to join my coaching program where I will teach you how to trade options. You can schedule a call with an onboarding specialist to get set up with that at weprofitdayandnight.com. That's weprofitdayandnight.com. If you got a lot out of this video, be a good friend and share this video with your friends and family so that they will know what to expect for tomorrow's CPI report as well. And click the like button and subscribe. And if you want more market news like this, be sure to watch the last video that I uploaded here.